Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So, I haven't uploaded for a while, but I am now back with a game that I'm working on, and I just wanted to show this to you. So, as you can see, you have a main menu here. It's very simple. If you click quit, it quits. If I click play, you can see it starts. So basically, in this game, the idea is you create a company and you sell stuff. It's very simple, but yeah. All right. So let's just call this Byte Incorporated, for example. I'll click create. We can see our company here, the amount of money we have, and we have this at the bottom. You can also see game speed. So if I click plus, it increases and the time goes by faster. You can also pause it and you can increase it. It's all I've been working on for now, but I just recently started this project and I wanted to show it with you. That's it for this video, and goodbye.